All right, here we go. Today's the day we're going to be wrapping my beautiful Ford Fairlane. Oh my goodness, this thing is going to look so crazy. Forget these boring stock colors. We're going to get real wild in a new Paradox Wraps color. That's right, guys. Welcome back to the channel with Paradox the Wrapper. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to wrap any classic car. Heck, it doesn't even have to be a car at all. It could be a refrigerator, a toilet, anything you want. As long as it's smooth, you can wrap it. All you gotta do is sand it down. So in the last episode, you saw me sand down this whole thing and do the body work for it. The body work is gonna be as good as it gets for now until a real professional does it. But I think this is sufficient for wrapping the car itself. It's not too bad. A little bit of Bondo, a little bit of primer. All you gotta do is make sure that it is smooth to the touch, and then you just test some wrap on it and you're good to go. So let's check out the new color for the Fairlane. This is a brand new Paradox Wraps color. This is the Gloss Metallic Dragon Scale. Okay, why do we call it Dragon Scale? You're like, you already have this, Paradox. You already have purple and blue color shifting. But wait. Oh, see that? Green. So this goes from purple, blue, bronze, green. A little bit of gold in there too. So it looks like a dragon scale to me. Oh man, okay, here we go. So this doesn't look that great just on the roll. It's gonna look amazing on this car. You know why? Let me show you why. Okay, so when you look at a car that's a color shifting like this, at the angle you can see that it's purple, and then at the where it's facing you, it's green, right? So on this one, it's got so many angles. So we're gonna be seeing purple, blue right here, and then where that hood or where that roof is, green, gold. This is gonna be the sickest Fairlane, I'm telling you right now. But first, what we gotta do is take the bumpers off. Normally, I don't take bumpers off, just because like that one, you can just work it with the bumper on. But here, it goes all the way down to there. So there's really no cheating. I mean, you can technically do it with the bumper on, but it's gonna get real complicated like right here. So it's probably easier just to take it off and just a bunch of screws. So it's 1, 2, 3, and the bumper comes off and we're good to go. Right here, that's difficult. So to get into there, you might have some problems. I might do the inside of this black. I don't know yet. We'll see what the seams look like once I get to it. But this is definitely gonna be a multi-piece. Probably one here, one here. This light can probably stay, and then I can work around all these chrome trims. I'm not sure what to do with the piece right here. This is like a reflector piece, and it's scaly like a dragon. So these pieces, you probably just got to get them new again, but because it's textured, it's not going to be very good to wrap. So I'm not sure what to do with these yet. I don't know. Okay, but either way, I got some more sanding to do still just to finish it up. So if you want this color for your own car, you know where to get it. Go to paradoxstyling.com. This color is so crazy. You can order this directly from the website. I love how it's green. It's like such a difference between like purple, blue, and it's like green. So sick. All right, let's do this. We're gonna pull this thing into the garage and get started. When cutting out these classic cars, you're gonna have to like really plan it out to make sure you have enough. And you see how the back end kind of just continues. So this piece right here continues from here all the way over here. That's one. Comes all the way over here. That's one. Comes all the way over here, and then back that way. So for the purposes of wrapping, I'm gonna make a seam right here where this kind of rusty spot is. Just right down here. So we're gonna do one piece. Yeah, I'll show you. All right, let's do this, guys. Pull in the garage. Time to party. So far it looks like this. So you can see how the dragon scale color shifts, all right? This is a really neat color shift. It's blue where you look at it directly. Then it's got a purplish effect to it from the blue, and then it goes whoosh, green, bronze, gold, something like that. Very interesting. However, I'm sitting here looking at it and it's not going to work out. I can't do it. Even though I really love this color. But for this particular car, with the current setup, I don't think it's going to work out. Because this really clashes with this. Like, I need to get a new piece of this. And then the white and red interior. So, yeah, none of this is going to match. So I'm just going to scrap this. We're going to do this on another car later. I just want you guys to just kind of see what this looks like on camera. It looks really good. I will still link the link to buy this particular color on the website in the description box below. So if you want this for your car, you can get it. But I'm going to rip this off right now. And we're going to go with the secret color I've been holding. The glitter red. Okay, so because I want to finish this car this week, I would order like the candy red instead. You know, one of those candy reds I got back there. And then do this car in the candy red and, you know, do a red and white theme. But this is the only red I have here right now. And then I have like a gloss white that's sitting over there. So, new plans, I'm going to be doing this glitter red, which no one's ever done before. So you'll get to see what this looks like in the sun and in the at night and all that stuff. So that'd be dope. And I'm going to do the top in that gloss white. So we're going to two-tone this baby. Do the red and white theme. And then we'll keep it as that for now until we wipe by this thing, and we'll change the interior and all that stuff too. Okay, time to rip this off. Putting this on. right, we're out here with a new iPhone 13 Pro Max. Look how good this looks. This is the front-facing camera, and I'm filming it on my gimbal. Man! Hey, I'm about to throw away the GoPros because this looks so good. Look, yo, I'm like all make-upped up and stuff like that. I know they put some filters on because I know I don't look this good in person. But anyway, we got the car sitting right there. It's finally done. I mean, it's actually been done for about over a month or so now, but it's chilling back there and it hasn't been sunny. And to really see the effect of this wrap, you gotta wait till it's sunny. So finally, we got a sunny day. Let me show you what this looks like. Cue up the walk around. There we have it. Yo, this looks so crazy. Let me show you guys that close-up view, baby. In cinematic mode. Oh yeah, let it focus. Let it focus. Hi, Luna. What do you think? Luna. There she is. There she is. Look how great this camera is. This is like movie quality shit. I'm telling you. Yo. Hey, look how crazy that thing glitterizes. I mean, it has a little bit of like a pink tint to it just because it's just bouncing so much light off. But man, that's wonderful. I hope this translates to YouTube well because I've never uploaded like a cinematic mode to YouTube yet, so this will be the first one. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I just can't stop staring at it. Obviously, we're going to get new wheels for this thing because those stock ones are not going to do at all. I'm having some issues trying to figure out why that window doesn't go down all the way, but it does on the other side. So there is still some issues with the chrome here. I was going to sand it down and just wrap it in chrome, but I found a chrome guy in Sacramento. I'm just gonna reach out to them and just have them re-chrome the whole bumper. Here you can tell that I cheated a little bit and I just wrapped this middle part black here, black there. Luna? There, black, and black there, so that I can just pretty much wrap this car in any color without having to redo those parts for now. I don't know what I want to do with it yet, but I know I don't want to re-wrap those parts again. And wrapping in black is pretty good because I don't have like the bezel thing like that goes around this. So if I wrap in any other color, it's gonna be ugly because you can see all of this stuff. So black's gonna do for now. I don't know what to do with the interior yet. I don't like sitting in these seats because there's no like shoulder belt. So I don't know how I can get a shoulder belt installed, or maybe like a half cage or something. I might just go with the full on just racing seats in front and then, you know, keep the back seats luxury. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what I should do with this interior, because really not a fan of the, you know, white and red seats, but it does work for this color scheme because as you guys saw, I did the roof in this nice satin gloss white It looks like a satin, but it's glossy. So I think it works with everything. All right, here we go. I'm taking it out of cinematic mode so it stops like blurring out, so you guys can have a better idea of what this looks like. Okay. It kind of tricks out the camera when it's in cinematic and it can't really see all this glitter. Look at that. Hot diggity dang. So if you want this, you know where to get it. Go to paradoxstyling.com. I will link the link to this specific glitter red in the description below. Oh my goodness, it just looks so good in the sun. I did do this video to show you guys that this can be done on any car or anything. It could be an old refrigerator, it could be your mom's van, it could be your dad's supercar that's hiding in the garage, be your uncle's busted 50s car. Anything can be sanded down smooth and wrapped over. If you do this yourself and practice, every time you wrap a car, you'll get really good at it. So keep going, don't give up, don't let anyone tell you that you can't do it, because all you need to do is just get a roll, follow my guides, and try it out. Huge thanks to everybody for watching and supporting the channel. I can't do this without your guys' support. So until next time, like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys later.